My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tuna, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so this is probably like my second video, depending on the order you watch the videos. And I posted 2 videos today, this one and another one. Go check that out for the Air got all tongue-tied. Air Jordan 13. I think they was called the Cherries. I can't remember. Go check that out. Yeah, a little early review, another early review for y'all. 2 videos one day, depending on when you're seeing it, or if you watch both of them, watch both of them. But yeah, on my way home right now. So when I get home, I'm gonna give y'all some proper information about the shoe after y'all see like the detailed shoe I do after this part. So stay tuned for that, and I will be back to talk to y'all. I'm switching lanes. All right, I've been talking to you back to talk to y'all in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, we got this Jordan face box right there. See the eyes looking at me, look kind of crazy. Let's flip this over so I can give you the label. It reads Air Jordan 14 Retro Black, White, University Blue, size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, flip this over. Got white tissue paper, nothing special, standard. Get these out, boom. Boom, put that right up. Put this back in there, set this back up. The eyes is creeping me out, Set these up. All right, so without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 14 University Blue. Boom. Okay, we got the Air Jordan 14 University Blue. I think that's what they call it. I could be wrong about that, but Jordan right here on the tongue in that University UNC blue. See that right there, like almost like the Ferrari logo. Jordan favorite car is a Ferrari. Blue on the outside. See the Roman numeral in 14. Jumpman right there. Chrome on the bottom too. Gray Jumpman in 23 on the back with black under it. Oh, my bad, dropped it. Majority of this shoe is black suede nubuck. I'm not too sure if it's suede. I always get mixed up between suede and nubuck, but I want to say it's nubuck. I could be wrong. Like I said, once I get back to the house, I'll give you all some proper information about it. Look on the back of the tongue right there. Got Roman numeral 14. And yeah, I just want to give you all a quick little look at this. Let's get back to the house so I can give you all some real information. I do want to know what y'all think about this. I'm not really a fan of 14s that much, but I do like this blue. Nice blue. So let's get back, give you some real information. Stay tuned for that. Yo, I'm back. I hope y'all enjoyed that early review of the Air Jordan 14, what is it called? Black University Blue. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that in-hand first look at it. It drops next weekend, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, next weekend. So, very big 2 weeks. Not big 2 weeks. It just depends. If you're a sneakerhead, if you're a Jordan brand head, if you just like OGs, then the next 2 weeks is going to be kind of big for you, as far as like pocket-wise, spin-wise, because you got these next week, and then this weekend you have the Air Jordan 13 True Red, that's what they call it. Yeah, go check out their review. I did that. It's on my page too. So now I'm gonna give y'all some information like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. You can read along with me because it will be up. Let me just close this ad. Oops. Close that ad real quick. I don't know why ads will keep popping up on my thing. Anyway, all right, it'll be up in 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, Air Jordan 14 Black University Blue returns March 21st. That's next weekend. Official images of the Air Jordan 14 Black University Blue have surfaced ahead of the March 21st, 2026 release. The retro stays true to the 2006 original with a black nubuck upper, University blue accents, and chrome Ferrari-inspired detailing. The photos can be found below. We get to the actual photos. It's time to break out your UNC socks because the Air Jordan 4 Black University Blue is making its long-awaited return in spring 2026 after nearly 2 decades since its 2006 release. Wow, so this is the first time this shoe's coming out since 2006. That's pretty, wow, yeah, 2 decades. This fan favorite retro is returning for its 20th anniversary with all style and speed of a Ferrari, literally. Jordan brand continues reviving the LS engine, revisiting gems like the Burgundy 5s and the Olive 4s. Now, this sleek Jordan 14 joins the lineup dressed in a smooth black nubuck and splashed with bold University blue accents. It's a tribute to MJ's Tar Heels roots and a visual slap of nostalgia for longtime fans. Design-wise, it's staying true to the OG. The bright blue hits along the midsole, heel tab, Jumpman logos, and shank plate add that sporty edge. Meanwhile, the Ferrari-inspired shield lines gives it that signature speed aesthetic. Bonus points if you make room noises when lacing them up. We won't judge. That was so lame. I can't believe they put that in the statement. Like, bonus points if you say room when you lace it up. That was so lame. Anyway, Air Jordan 14 Black University Blue will release on March 21st, 2026. Expect a drop on Nike.com and selected Jordan retailers. Men's pair will retail for $205 USD, with grade school sizing priced at $155. So if you missed them the first time or wore your 2006 pair into the ground, get ready. The comeback is real and your rotation is about to get dangerously fresh. Stay up to date with all upcoming Air Jordan blah blah blah. Okay, so here was more pictures. There we go, boom, boom, boom. And alright, so that's it for that. Alright, now the question that people always ask me at the end of my videos, am I going to cop a drop? This is easily a drop for me. One, I'm not a fan of Jordan 14s. I did have a lot of Jordan 14s. I got a lot of Jordan 14 reviews on my page, but I like certain Jordan 14s. Like I like the cherry or the candy cane, excuse me. I like the electric blue, I think it was called. I did have the last shot. The last shot was more about the story behind it. Sometimes I buy shoes because of the story behind it. And I may not really be a fan of them. So I'm not really a fan of Air Jordan 14. I don't think they are a bad shoe, but I'm just not a fan. What really throws me off of the shoe is the tongue. How the tongue is skinny and you got that little opening on the side. I'm just not really a fan of that. This is definitely a drop for me. I have my early review. If this was old me, I would have bought it just to say I bought it. I used to buy Jordans just to have it. I had so many useless pairs of Jordans, and I'm not just talking about retros. I had Air Jordan 1 mids, I had Air Jordan 1 lows. I just had all types of Jordans, and then I was wound up stuck with them because I wasn't wearing them. It looked good. Like you come in my room, it looked nice. You looked in my closet, like, oh, look at this. You got choices. Yeah, but then you realize like you're not wearing none of them. It's a waste of money, and then you can't sell them because you're going to get less than what you bought them for. So I am at the space where I'm just buying what I like. I will be getting the Air Jordan 13 True Red or Cherry or Chicago or whatever you want to call them. But these, easy pass for me. Not saying that it's an ugly shoe though. Like I said, you like it, I love it. So I mean, don't base your opinion off of what. Don't base your final say off of my opinion. I'm just giving y'all some looks from my perspective. So anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're gonna cop or drop this shoe. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing the Toons Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.